Hi, my name is Karen, and I came to Breathwork after a near complete breakdown of my nervous system a few years ago. And after my first session, I couldn't believe no one had ever told me about this. And then one day I had a really bad experience with a breathwork facilitator because let's face it, it's really hard to find a good breathwork facilitator. And his guidance was horrendous. It was all ego driven and all about his self, not myself. And so I thought, God, there's got to be better people out there, and maybe I can do it better. And so I went back to my original breathwork facilitator, Megan Ashton, and said, sign me up, teach me what you know, because there aren't enough of you out there. And her program is amazing. And this 450-hour breathwork facilitator training cracked me wide open. I have grown leaps and bounds because I used it not just as a way to become a breathwork facilitator, but to become a facilitator who leads with vulnerability and love and kindness. And if you want to be a breathwork facilitator and understand not just how to breathe, but all of the mental health that goes into it, the somatic work, the physiology, the biology, that's exactly what you get with Unity Breathwork. And none of us are perfect, and we shouldn't expect to be. And we are not healers, but we can be wonderful guides. And the best guide I've had to date in my life is Megan Ashton. And if you immerse yourself in this program, you will become the best breathwork facilitator imaginable.